What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this snake game right here. So I'm going to just create a new project and then go to the variables and call this maybe direction, or no, which way. Just call it which way. And then I'll make this like a square maybe. I can make it a square. Just make it black. Okay, so now we have the square. Let's maybe set our size to 20. That's too small. 35. Yeah, that's good. And then we'll do when flag click, and then we'll broadcast our start game message. And then when I receive start game, we can just do forever. Let's also set our which way to maybe east. And then we'll do an if then statement. This will tell us when it's key pressed. So let's do maybe right arrow. Then we'll set our which way to east. Then we'll do the same thing for the left arrow. Then we will do for up arrow. And then we'll do one more for the down arrow. And then we will put like 4 more if then statements. Let's delete this. And then we'll do if which way is equal to, let's say, east. We can just do change x by 5 maybe. Let's do the same thing for west. So -5, and then we'll do one for up arrow. And then we'll change y by 5. And then we'll do one for down arrow. And then after that, so now we have our physics working. So we have our guy working. Now we want our guy to die when it touches the edge. So let's just hide this variable. So we can also do if touching edge. We can just go to random position. And then we'll also do for when flag click, we'll also go to random position. So every time I click when flag click, it goes to random position. Now so now that we have solved the problem that when we touched our edge, we die. Now we will basically create a new sprite, and I'll make this like a food. Let's see. Let's see what foods are there. We could try an orange. I think this is nice. So we have our orange, and then maybe let's set our size to 80. And then we'll 81. So when flag clicked, set size to whatever you wanted.